Hey, what's up, trader? This is analysis for the USD CAD. So, what's going on here? Let's look at it. We have still the weekly up in the uptrend, right? So, this here we can see this weekly trend line where we had this reaction as well on the daily zone, and price start to have moved higher until it has reached this opposing daily zone, right? So, we have the daily trend line actually broken, and it happened in after this zone has accumulated the power, boom, retested of this trend line, and then we move lower. So yeah, the daily trend line is broken, but we still don't have a daily downtrend because this daily zone was not violated and not broken down, right? So we are actually daily on the range, weekly in the uptrend, and 4 hours we have this uptrend, this trend line second time tested, right? Okay, that's all fine. And right now, the USD CAD is not moving since the beginning of the week. There actually was not almost any move, and even though I think might go higher, I think we will see the drop first. Now, let me show you why I think that. Because if we look to the COT data, we can see basically that the banks has been reducing their longs positions, and they been actually building shorts, right? So they build their shorts from the 41, or let's say 38 to the 53. So they actually turn a little bit more to the bearish side. However, it can be of course the fake, because if we are still around below the 60% exposure on the one side and the 40 on the another side, they can still change it very quickly, right? So as we can saw it here in the past, basically it looked like they switched from the bullish to the bearish, but the 55 was the extreme, and then the next week they flipped it, right? So it can still happen, and until we are not above really something like a 60% to the one side, that it's still not clear what they're doing. But what we can assume that was happening in here, right? So let's look at this. We have let's look at a couple reports in the back. So we can see that they've been building for the past month, so which is 4 reports. They've been building these shorts. They built it these 13K shorts. So what is it? One, two, three, four, right? So we can see that they've been doing this, and especially they've been very very aggressive for the last 3 reports, right? Which is actually the period from 1 2 3. So it's actually this period um here, and we don't have data for this period, but what I assume that if the price went up, they wasn't able to close these shorts, right? So they still probably have these shorts, and if the price was moving higher in here, what they had to do is probably that they have to close these shorts in here. They had to close them here and then move the price higher, so they don't have them. But what they could do is they actually could be moving price higher, and they could be still building another short. So if they've been doing that, I think that their average price will be somewhere around here. So what I'm thinking that is possible to happen right now is that we will probably go down here, and because as said, the price has not moved properly since the beginning of the week. So I'm thinking right now that we will see some manipulation. So the price will most likely come to this zone where I think would be the average of this what they've been doing in here with these shorts, right? So and if they don't have the longs, they will have to build them somewhere. So if they will want to take the price higher, I think they will first drop price down. They will close these shorts, which will actually attract a lot of traders to the short, because what they will see basically the break of the trend line, right? So now they will start to think it's bearish. Maybe they will wait for some pullback to short it. But in here, these banks will already have closed their shorts. They will add the longs. More people will be shorting in here, so they will be selling their contracts. Banks could be buying, and then it could go higher. So yeah, uh, we of course could trade it this way, but I think we will see this manipulation down here in this week. All right, I'm not sure exactly if there is any news which could bring us there, but That's what I'm waiting for. All right, my friends. Wish you happy trading. Bye bye.